Hello guys, this is Frank the United FX. This is a normally weekly outlook. We analyze pairs for the coming week. So today is Friday night. The market must have ended. Last trade for the coming week starting on Monday. So guys, before we join in, I want to show you something on my Telegram channel. This is the trade we had on Telegram channel last week, starting with this guy. Okay, let me show you where it was first analyzed. If you watched my video previous week, you must have seen this analysis. This one, this cell, must have seen this cell, must also have seen this one. So all played out. Look at it, look at the result here. This is when it started to play out. I updated them that they have confirmation has already started. So some guy was smart enough to enter. So this is when I posted my some limit sales, which some of them made me a profit. So this is the results. You can see the trade coming down, and also this one coming down, and also this one coming down. So if you're not on the Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel so that you can get an update on our trade, the rest of them. Okay, for this week, let's start with silver. Okay, let's go to daily chart of silver so we can find out what's really happening in silver. Looking at the daily chart, you can discover that silver, this is the what wave, this is wave one, this is wave two, and it's trying to complete the wave three. You're just trying to complete wave three here. Once the wave three is complete, we're going to see another wave four before wave five. So in between completing of wave three, you can see the wave one of wave three, wave two, wave three, wave three, wave three, wave four, wave three, and this is wave five of wave three. That is what we are buying and looking for completion. Let's go to 1 hour chart time frame. Looking at the 1 hour chart time frame, you can see the wave one of that five. This is wave two of that five. So we expected the wave three of that five to end here, or it maybe has ended here, but I expected it to end here though. So once the trade touches here, the wave three have ended. So we'll start looking for four. The wave three, it may come like this, and then a correction will start coming to do four before a final. Can you see that? This is an speculation, doesn't mean that it must happen. This is what the market is likely to play out. So this is my first line of action. So I may decided to mark it bolder. So another thing that market might do by Monday is it may come down here and then move here the alerts. So if this is the case, this one is an alternative movement. So if this is the case, it means that the wave 3 has ended here, and here will be wave 4, then wave 5. But what I'm uh, expecting is this guy to be wave 3 here, and wave 4 will come here, and wave 5 will come. That's end the wave 3, the bigger wave 3, and the bigger and daily time frame. So we expect a wave 4. That is all for silver. Okay, well, this Great Britain, Australian dollar. This pair, the movement it corrected. It did wave one, which is here. It ABC and come here. So I expected it to start with three, but the movement here says so far that it's still correcting. So I didn't trade it. I leave it. So look at it now. I can see that it's false and come back immediately. So by this week, you may see a trade like this coming up here. This very place before sale. This is likely to be possible. And when it comes, it become an expanded flat. This is A, B, and C. Come on, expanded flag. Another possibility is that it may start, it may just come down a little bit, go up a little bit, and then continue where it's going. This is two possibility, and Great Britain, Australia. So good. Well, good. Of course, good. It's also good to come up with this very, very place. And looking at it, look as if he has ended a correction here without touching that 8 in the partial ratio. Look as if I ended the correction here, but I must say that it might likely not be possible that it ended. So therefore, we might see something like this on Monday, a drop below here, then a buy. So this is a possibility that might come. So it now become A, B, and C. So if that happens, so that is what we expect. We may be expecting by Monday and next week. So it can buy it from there, buy it from, you cannot buy it, and I can wait it for it to come to this place or even touch here before it buys. That is all for good. DSY, okay, last week I said that DSY is going to come up here, and they have done exactly that. It has come to A. Let me show you something. This is with A. You're going to do B and C. So I expected it to come this very way. A. Whether the B to come. The B is normally sometimes very sluggish, very nasty, just going up like this, something like this. Just keeping messing around before it now moves up. So it's ready to come like that before. Once this correction is complete, then I'll look for buy up more. Euro US dollar. The same goes with Euro US dollar. There's two possibilities in US dollar. Number one is that this one I showed you now, this one that is here, is ready to come correcting to this very point or even higher before a sell. But another thing that may happen is the pair may come up here like this, and then drop again here or here. Mm, This, if this become the case, you know that this is a wave 4 and this will be wave 5. So at this very point, it might not be a correction again. It might be an impulse. What I mean by impulse, it might be that the market is reversing. It's going to be a 5 wave down. When if a 5 will come down, that's going to be a heavy. This is going to come very heavy, very below. So that's what I mean by being an impulse. So before I thought it's going to be a correction. If you do this way, then it's a correct. Me thinking of correction, I'll end it. I will not see it as an impulse. I will looking for a correction, then sell it to very, very, very down, down, down. Very, very down, 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 down here. You understand? So what I'm expecting now is just a correction B and then C. But if in a case that is come correcting here, after correcting to this level, then drop to here, then this ABC pattern, I will not have it in mind again. I'll have in mind that the bear market has begun. Going to be able to gear. That's all for Euro US. Okay, this is a Euro Great Britain. So Euro Great Britain for all the way from here to this very place. So I expected it to move up from here and continue buying. That is all for that. Mm, Great Britain US dollar. That's almost the same thing with Euro US dollar. You look at it, see that a complete 5 wave has formed here. This is wave 1, this is 2, and this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So I expected a correction to this very point and then a drop. So that is all for either USM. Australian dollar, US dollar. So as I explained last week, it's still correcting. I expected the correction to come in here before a buy. So this is going to be a wave one. All this impulse from here to here will be a wave one. So this is going to be a wave two here. Then the wave three will come again from here. So that's what I expected in this pair. So I'm potentially waiting it to come to this very level before I start buying. The buying is going to sweet, going to be huge. The same goes with his twins pair. You look at it, see that this one already come to that it he already completed his A version. So it's ready to do B and then C before we'll continue buying. So it's ready to come up and do something like this. Mm, A, B, and C. That's what to expect from this pair. So wait for it. Don't be in a hurry. Have patience. We have to get the best of it. Okay, this trade, I said last week, I started to drop a little bit, then start going up, but it didn't drop. It just from there start going up. So what are we expecting now? I'm expecting it to do a little bit correction. I'm expecting it to do a correction here and then move up. Or it might come down drastically to this very place before up move. So this is my expectation on the US dollar, yeah, Swiss francs. Euro, US dollar. Yeah, this trade hit my stop loss. I was trying to trade it last week, somewhere here. I put my stop loss here, so it hit it. So when I look at it again, I discover that is the correction has also ended. So looking at it, you can see that the correction is very this correction A, B, and C. Can you see that? And when you look at the C, you can see five wave inside C. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it means that C is total complete. You have to confirm the cell. This is where I will confirm the cell. Once it's break here, this is the confirmation point. Confirmation. Okay, my green. This is a confirmation. Let me light it so that confirmation. This is a confirmation zone. So this is a confirmation point. Once the market come break through here, then know just selling has begun. A correction here, you sell down below. So that's how I'm going to trade it. So I'm going to focus on this trade next week. So that's for your questions. Okay, this guy, I already entered. This guy entered here before. When I see coming up, I take profit. Entered again here, I take profit. Then when I see coming up again, I take profit. So looking at it, I think the correction is over. I didn't even take away the evaluation line. So I expected it to begin to fall from Monday to this very point. To the point going to fall. So going to be a very good trade. Maybe a conservative trade. I wanted to wait for it to confirm. This is the confirmation point. Sorry, let me use another line. This is the confirmation point. You can see the confirmation point at the wave for once that place broke. Let me delete this one. This is the confirmation point. When that point is broken, then you can massively sell to this very point. I'll update this chart in Telegram by next week. The same goes. Okay, this is Canada, Canada, USD. So I wanted Canada to do some correction here, there, something like this. Sorry. So try to do a correction, something like this. It may drop here directly and then start buying, or a correction where it come like this before a drop and then buy continues. So wait for it. I'm waiting for the buy setup here. That is where I will enjoy. Okay, we're looking at Hero Great Britain. So Hero Great Britain, although they not have not taken away uh, uh um resistance line, I have a sell limit here. The sell limit, yes, here. So once that thing goes there, take a sell limit. I suspected a inducement. Inducement may happen here. It may not get to here, but it may happen inducement here before a drop. So confirmation line is already there, this very place. So I will rotate the Telegram channel by next week. Oil. Well, I get this appointment from oil last week. Analyze oil to come down below here. I want oil to come down below here. So, but looking at what happened between Israel and Iran, the thing changed the direction of oil. It's a fundamental change due to the external factors, which is the war between Iran and Israel. You know that Iran has the one of the biggest oil producer in the world. So once they are nothing war, it means that there are going to be a shortage in oil supply. And once that happens, there's going to be a price. That is why price is going up already. So market expectation that there's going to be shortage of oil supply. That is why they are buying the price already. So that is all for oil. So this is an Nasdaq, US 100, NAS 100. That's a completing wave A and wave B. So I expected it to come is very low from here to here, then buy. It's my expectation. So by next week, maybe by Wednesday or Tuesday, I'll be waiting for it here. Once I buy my stop loss here and then hold it to here. That's my target. 22 for something, a new high. S&P, the same thing goes with S&P. See, I've done A, yeah, I've done B. So I'm waiting for C. C may be here. We're not going to do the dip. US 30, uh, is just correcting up. It's better to come this very low, do some correction, come low again before a bigger buy. Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin did dip small, did some correction, and it's coming up again. Toncoin. I expected Toncoin to drop last week, as I told you last week, A, B, C. I done exactly that, and it's buying up from there. So a new bull is coming in crypto. So brace yourself for a bullish market. The same happens here. The same happen all the crypto pairs because when the Bitcoin is moved down, all the crypto pair move down. Same happens here. Every crypto pair dropped. Even this meme coin, this shit coin dropped. So I'll be focusing on the YAM pairs. So last week I was carried away by YAM pairs, so I made some trade in Euro, but this week YAM pairs are ready. I think they are ready now to supply us the profit needed. Looking at it here, you can see they are ready now to supply the profit we needed now. So that is all, guys, for today. See you next week. Remember to like this video, share this video, join our Telegram channel to get an update, and also give it a thumb like. Give us a like, thumb up like. Thank you, guys. See you guys some other time. Thank you.